Okay, here at the Venetian, about to go pick up my glasses. I like these ones. I'm not.
You want to check it before you leave with
Yeah, can I please? It should be like this style right here.
It's the Ray-Bans?
Yeah. Oh yeah, cool right here. So who's got the camera on?
Use the better glasses to talk to him.
She's looking for sunglasses.
I'll let you do the honors.
Thank you.
So it's a no on this stuff as well?
Okay, I like the case. Case too. Are these the bigger frame ones? These are the bigger frame ones? Guys, I got the new Ray-Ban Meta, the Gen 2. Alright guys, this is the specs. I got the matte black transition gray. I got the small, okay, because my face is not too big. I got the small one. These ran about $4.59. Alright guys, so to start, you would have to scan this right here. This is the case that came with it. Look like a C charger port. This is the actual charging case. When you open this and close it, this charges the actual watch. Connects right there through the nose piece. Alright, here's the actual glasses that I got. I really like these glasses. These glasses are amazing. I like how they, in the sun, they turn dark, just like regular shades, and then in the inside setting, they turn back to like, you know, almost like office setting type glasses. They're awesome. I came with this cleaning rag to wipe down the lenses so you don't scratch them and everything. It also came with a charger, but I left that at home. So this is what it looked like, alright? So I did get the matte black, as you can see. And it's got the logo right there. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it.
Is that just buttons or is that actual LED?
LED.
That is LED?
Yeah, and I could change it. This is a picture of my car and my motorcycle. I don't know if you can see it because it's pretty bright in here.
That, no, I noticed it from over here. And, hey, you know, caught my attention.
Yeah.
Cool.
Thank you. Alright, so this is where you record right here. Let me see. Right here. Tap this button, that's how you start to record. Slide right here. Slide across this way, turn the volume up. Slide across this way, turn the volume down. Alright. It's got speakers everywhere. Those little holes right there are speakers. Like literally, it's talking in your head. I give these a 10 out of 10. Can't wait till the third gen come out. He likes his backpack. I had that thing for like 2 years. I barely take it out.
That's cool.
So now I am recording with the Meta glasses. And pretty awesome, you know? I like them. I used them before. That's what they look like on. That's what they look like on. Let's do it.